Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find matching text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document with some paragraphs. Now you want to find matching text in this paragraph, go to the home menu and click the find option. Now we can see here open a navigation bar. Now we search or find in this navigation bar find matching text. Now we write in this box and we can see highlight the all in text in this paragraphs. We try some another words in this paragraph. Now we can see the word is find it here. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.